Did you know there's a type of flooring that combines style, durability, and practicality all in one? We're talking about SPC Vinyl Flooring, the smartest choice for modern homes in Ireland and beyond. SPC, or stone polymer composite, is next generation vinyl flooring that perfectly mimics real hardwood, without the high maintenance. With natural textures, matte finish, and wide planks, you get the designer look of oak or walnut at a fraction of the cost. If your home is full of life, kids running, pets playing, or guests visiting, SPC is built for you. Thanks to its ultra-strong core, it's 100% waterproof, resistant to scratches, dents, and everyday wear. It won't warp with moisture, and it won't fade over time. But it's not just tough, it's comfortable too. Many SPC floors come with built-in underlay, giving you a softer feel underfoot and excellent sound insulation. Imagine walking barefoot in the morning and feeling warmth from underfloor heating. Yes, SPC is fully compatible, making it perfect for chilly Irish mornings. Another huge advantage, easy installation. The click-lock system means you can lay directly over existing floors, no glue, no mess, no stress. In just hours, your home can be completely transformed. And if you care about sustainability, SPC is also a smart choice. It's formaldehyde-free, low in VOCs, and recyclable, making it healthier for your family and the environment. Across Ireland, homeowners are already transforming hallways, kitchens, and open-plan living spaces with SPC flooring. The results are elegant, modern, and built to last. So, whether you're renovating a rental property or creating your forever home, SPC Vinyl Flooring delivers the perfect balance of style, strength, and sustainability. Want to see it for yourself? Tile Merchant offers free samples delivered straight to your door, so you can test colors and finishes in your own light before deciding. Don't wait, explore our full SPC collection today and discover why it's the floor of the future for modern homes. Visit www.tilemerchant.ie.